Hello! In today's video you will see a few ways how you can style an oblong silk scarf like this with a scarf ring. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. By the way, you can always slow down the video. Go to the settings, choose playback speed and choose the speed you need. I do it all the time. My scarf size is 73 by 27 inches. It is quite long, as you can see. The ring size is 1.5 inches in inner diameter. It is very good for large size scarves, and I will link it in the description. Pass both ends through the scarf buckle, like this. Now make a loop to make the scarf shorter. Twist it a few times. You can wear it like this, or move the buckle on one side and spread the scarf. It is easy to do and looks great. For the next style, fold your scarf along. Pass one end through the buckle. Now, take your scarf like this and fold this part of your scarf. Even folded along, the scarf is quite large. Now, pass the folded part in the loop here to create a big bow. By the way, I will have more videos with this scarf and how you can style it. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. I think it looks fantastic. For the next style, place the scarf link at the middle of your scarf, like this. Cross the ends behind, bring them forward. Now, take one end, fold it like this, and pass it through one side of the ring. You see? Do the same with the second part. This style makes me think of azalea flower. What do you think? If you want to know more on styling your scarf with a ring, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of scarf you wear more often. It will help me to make my videos more relevant to you. I hope to see you soon. Bye!